Can a postnup agreement safeguard my individual wealth? Imagine a way to protect what you've worked hard for, even after tying the knot. That's where a postnuptial agreement can come into play. It is a legal document created after marriage that clearly states how assets and debts will be handled. This agreement can be a smart move for couples who want to keep certain property separate or protect their financial interests. A postnuptial agreement can specify that assets you brought into the marriage, like inheritances or gifts, stay your own property. This means if you get divorced, those assets won't be divided. It's especially helpful if one spouse owns a business. The agreement can set rules that keep the business separate from marital property, protecting it from being split or claimed during a divorce. Debt is another concern. A postnup can assign responsibility for individual debts, so one spouse isn't stuck paying for the other's loans or credit card bills. This helps reduce financial risks and keeps things clear. Full financial disclosure is essential when making a postnuptial agreement. Both partners need to share all assets and liabilities honestly to make sure the agreement is fair and enforceable. Postnuptial agreements can also work alongside estate plans like wills and trusts. They can specify who inherits what, making sure your wealth stays within your family or according to your wishes. If you want to include provisions about spousal support or other financial arrangements, a postnup can cover those too. To be valid, a postnuptial agreement must be entered into voluntarily, with both spouses fully disclosing their finances. It's a good idea for each person to have their own lawyer review the document to ensure fairness. Courts usually uphold these agreements if they are fair, signed willingly, and based on honest information. In family law, postnuptial agreements are useful tools for couples who want to clarify financial rights and responsibilities after marriage. They are especially helpful if circumstances change, like receiving an inheritance, starting a business, or accumulating debt. These agreements can help prevent disputes and protect your personal wealth throughout your marriage and if it ends.